This is Dr. Lina Chiu from University Malaysia of Computer Science and Engineering, Malaysia. Today I come and visit Lahore Leeds University. This is my first time to come to Pakistan, and today we are sharing knowledge and information, cultures, environment, social life and academic with Lahore Leeds University. So I'm hoping that this is a very good collaboration between us, because in Unimay University, Malaysia of Computer Science and Engineering, we are having a computer science, cybersecurity, game development. We even have a business technology, which is ECAD. It's very good combination and collaboration with Lahore Leeds University. Terima kasih.
This is Dr. Nadeem, Vice Chancellor, Lahore Leeds University. I take the pleasure to welcome delegation from Malaysia, Unimay University from Malaysia, their delegation, they came here. And we discuss about collaboration in various areas. We discuss about student exchange program, teacher exchange program, credit transfers, and very importantly, we discuss about research exchange, where we can help, we can collaborate in different areas. We discussed that how we can benefit from expertise of both the universities. We have discussed the options of sending a delegation from Lahore Leeds University to Unimay in Malaysia to study their work style and how are they delivering their programs over there. And at the same time, we have discussed about the option of inviting their professors and their teams to visit our university and to see those areas where we can help, we can collaborate each other. Throughout the world, it's a time of collaborations, and that's the way we can benefit from each other, that's the way we can progress, and that's the way we can move ahead. And once again, I would like to thank you to the delegates, the members of the delegation who came from Unimay from Malaysia to visit our university. Thank you.